Okay, so I have here my JBL GO2 Bluetooth speaker and the battery is empty, so I want to show you how to recharge that. So first you need here the USB charging cable that came with the speaker. See here, this is JBL branded. It's a good idea to use this. And then you're going to take a look here on the right side of the speaker. There's this flap here that you can open up. And underneath there you find here on the right there's an audio aux jack, and then on the left is this micro USB charging port. And you're going to plug in the one end of your charging cable in there. Do that carefully so you don't break the port by accident. And then I have here this charging cube of one of my other Bluetooth speakers. You can also, for example, use your computer or the charging cube from your smartphone. Just going to plug that in and going to plug this whole thing into an outlet. Okay, so now as soon as you're charging, you're going to see this little LED here on the top in the front lit up. That means that the battery is charging at the moment. So the charging process can take up to like 2.5 hours. So in case your battery is completely empty. So now you're just going to let this sit here for a while. And how can you tell that the battery is completely charged? You will see that when the LED turns off. Okay, and so now you can just take the speaker again and carefully remove the USB charging cable here. Just pull it straight out. Make sure you don't like twist it or bend it somehow. And then you're just going to close the cover here so that the speaker is waterproof again. And this is already it. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions then leave a comment below. And don't forget to check out my other JBL GO2 videos here up in the right corner.